Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting shifts in modern automation, collaborative robots, or cobots. Now forget the image of a giant industrial robot locked in a cage. Cobots are designed to work with humans, safely and efficiency side by side. Think of them as your dependable co-worker who never calls in sick and always hits the same precision mark. They're lightweight, packed with force and torque sensors, and can stop instantly if they bump into someone. That means no massive safety barriers, no fenced off zones, just smooth teamwork. Programming them, surprisingly easy. You can literally guide a universal robot you are armed by hand to teach its movement. FANUCCRX and TechMan robots did the same, turning advanced robotics into something almost intuitive. Now here's why this matters for you, especially in the US manufacturing and service sectors. A cobot setup can cost between $50,000 and $100,000, far less than traditional robot systems. And many companies see a return on investment within 12 months, thanks to increased productivity and reduced labour strain. Fast forward a few years, your business is running leaner, your team handles high-value tasks, and your cobot quietly manages repetitive and precise jobs. It's not about replacing people, it's about amplifying performance. So if you're wondering how to future-proof your business, cobots are your gateway to smarter, safer and more flexible automation. And that's your Robo News update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, head over to RoboPhil website to join the waiting list or to speak to the team about robotics. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from RoboPhil. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.